Ayan, may titignan tayo. Bigla daw huminto yung sakyan. At may narinig na para sumabog. Titignan natin. Papuntahan na natin muna. Buti natapos na yung mga gawa ko.
Engine will have too much damage.
Yes, timing belt. Snap.
Oh,
It's happened. I don't know. Oh, look at that's almost new.
yeah.
Yeah, but it's snap. Oh, God. Okay.